through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
It's your girl CB, in case you are new to our channel, and today I decided to do this fall green look. Originally I was going to do a sweetest day look, but that was yesterday and my week has been crazy, so I didn't get a chance to film it. So I decided what's better than a fall green look. Absolutely love the green color, and 'tis the season, right? So yes, if you want to see this look, stay tuned, and I got you, girl. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows, and also we do have a eyebrow tutorial. I'll link it below, and if you guys want a new one, because that one is kind of old, and I think Tay may do hers a little different now. So if you guys want a new updated eyebrow tutorial, just let us know, and we can make that happen. So yeah, I'm gonna go for like a green look. I have no idea what I really want to do. I bought a few palettes with me just so, you know, we can figure this thing out as we go along. You know, 'tis the season, it is fall. I am gonna start with the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and it's super dirty because I have it all like in a drawer. And I'm gonna go into this Madagascar like brownish color for a transition shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in my crease. I want to go for more of a green look because I just thought that it was the perfect time of the year. It's fall, so you know, green, and you got some burgundies and some nudes, just stuff like that. It's like so pretty for fall, and I absolutely love this color. Like for the last couple years, like last 2 to 3 years, I've just been obsessed with this color. If you guys are wondering what brushes I'm using, they don't have names of the actual brush, but it's from this. I got it from Amazon, Emax Design, and it's no like name, you know, well-known brand. And I usually don't get that many brushes that's well-known because I trade my brushes out so often because I do freelance as well. And obviously you wash them, but after a while you just gotta throw them away. All right guys, so this next color, I'm gonna go in with more of a tapered brush so I can get in, you know, inside the crease a little bit better. And I am going into this Modern Mattes palette. Now this palette is oh y'all, like this green, I couldn't find like a matte green. And I was like, why don't I have a matte green? Like I have a bunch of shimmer greens, but no matte greens. So I pulled out this super old palette. It's a little busted up, but you know, it still works. And I'm gonna use this green color right here. I feel like the color's not coming up very well, so I'm just gonna pat it on first. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start patting this on. And then I'll blend it. So before we all go on to the next step, I did just want to mention, because I did tell you all that I did my brows off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys the products just in case you're interested. So I did use the ColourPop brow pencils, and this one is in soft black. I also used, again, this Kiss powder. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I use for my brows. And then just for my eyes, I'm going to go back into our Nubian 2 palette. Go back into our Nubian 2 palette and go back into that Madagascar color. And I'm just gonna try to, you know, clean up or blend it in with this green at the top so that it don't look so harsh up there. So next guys, I'm gonna go in with Clean Color. It's a Smoking Cream eyeshadow. So it's just a cream eyeshadow in green. I'm gonna go into this, and again, it's from Clean Color. And I have no idea where I got this from. Like, I really don't. I don't lie to you guys. I don't know where it came from, but it probably came offline or the Beauty Supply store because y'all know I bet all my stuff, not all of it, but a lot of it from the Beauty Supply store. So could be that. Just draw kind of like a cut crease. It's not gonna be a full cut crease, like a half cut crease. little green glossy eye. I actually been loving glossy eyes lately. I don't know. I remember when I first started seeing glossy eyes, I was like, that's tacky. But I don't know. You know, things change. You start feeling a little bit different within yourself and just getting out your comfort zone. And then I was just like, I like it. I think I saw Rihanna with a glossy eye, and then I seen Karrueche with one, and they killed it. So I was like, you know what? Glossy eyes for the win. This is the star of the show. This is the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, and I literally have like almost all their palettes. So yeah, it's only right. I was gonna try to use a ColourPop palette, but I couldn't find one with like a nice green that I like. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use. And she is gorgeous, y'all. Like, tell me she's not gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna take that and pack it on. We got this. We didn't know what we was gonna do, but okay. So this is an extra look. Now I'm thinking about if I should make it even more extra, right? Like, I want to do like some white or something at the front. I'm looking at the palettes I have in front of me, y'all, because I'm not sure. I even brought a very little palette that is from LA Colors, and I don't know where I got this from too, probably the beauty supply. And they got like this little white in there. Let me see if I could add this little white right on the ends. I don't know how that's gonna look. I might mess it up, but you know, we just playing in makeup. We doing us a little look, so let's see. Y'all, that's a look. That's a look. That's a look. That is so cute. Okay. Okay, we going somewhere with this. I didn't know where we was going, but we going to the store. Now, do we want to do a little bit extra? What y'all think? Gold glitter right on the ends. Is that too much? All right, guys, so I did go ahead and put on some eyeliner and some lashes. Now, I don't know what liner I use, and I'm sorry I keep saying that because I'm just using stuff with no names on it. Like, this is literally nothing. This is just black. And if I had to guess, I'll say it's the NYC black liner. That would be my guess, because that's the only one I remember looking thin like this. And then I use some Huda Beauty lashes. Now, y'all, these lashes are honestly ready to go out, but I'm not ready for them. I've used these probably like 15 times. These have been my go-to summer glam lashes. So far, this is what we have with the eye. I'm really impressed with it. I like it. Let's move on to the face. Thank God, right? Eyes take forever. Eyes literally take forever. So, first thing I want to do is I need to prime my face. I already oiled my face. I am going to take the Tarte Poreless Primer, Mattifying Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right where my pores are, because I want them to be shrink. I don't want them to be popping all up. ColourPop's No Filter Foundation. I got the shade Deep 200. I'm using a flat brush. And let's see if my mind has changed. And I know that they do have a new stick foundation. I already ordered it. I got it $197 though, because I think they had less colors than this. Or maybe it's the same, I'm not sure. But I got $197 because, I don't know, I felt like just from the color matches that they gave us, it looked like it would match a little bit better. Okay, what do you guys think? Now, obviously it's showing up a little red, but keep in mind, I do have red undertones. I do not have like nude, or not nude, what do you call it? Neutral undertones. I do have red undertones, so I'm not mad at the color. I also got ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and then this is in Dark 46. And I did go kind of light on this, but That's okay, because I kind of wanted this to be light. I got my Black Radiance palette and the creamy concealer, and I'm gonna use this dark one right here. Now this is not really dark, but it's gonna add like a little shadow for me, bring a little color so that I don't look too orange. So let's get to blending. I got my blending sponge. Let's see what we could do with this. To setting our concealer, I do want to use the ColourPop Deep Dark Sheer Press Powder. So I want to set with this and then I'll go back and then I'll highlight. So I'm just going to take a brush and, oh, I don't want to use this brush. Yeah, I'll take this brush and I'm just going to dab it in there. Dust it off because it's supposed to be like translucent, like sheer. And I'm going to set it under there. Alright y'all, so I think the camera cut off before I could tell y'all, but I used the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder so that I could bake under my eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off now. I don't like to bake too long because I'll turn white underneath and I just don't like it. It's like I want to look highlighted, but I don't want to look all white and cast-really. Okay, I'm gonna take some contour powder. This is the Sasha powder blush, and this is in matte brown. And y'all, this stuff is deep. This stuff is really, really deep. So you just need, honestly, a dab. And I'm just gonna put it at the highest point of where my contour lines start. And I'm not even gonna bring it all the way down. I just wanna focus it right in that area. This is the Tarte blush in Feisty. So pretty. I want to go ahead and add Feisty to my cheeks. It's just like a nude. So it don't add too much color. Just like a pale pink. And because the eye is so harsh, well, not harsh, because the eye is so dramatic, I didn't want to do too much dramaticness on the face part. All right, and then some highlight, of course. So I'm using, because we was doing ColourPop mostly, I just said Shayla times ColourPop, and then in the shade Boomin'. And she really did a good job with her highlighters. Like, the whole collection is bomb, but these highlighters are next level. They really, really good. Alright guys, so now for the lip, I'm just gonna do a nude lip. Again, the eyes are so dramatic. I just want to do a nude lip. This is MAC's Chestnut Pencil, as usual. Y'all know this, the OG. I will forever use this. It's just nothing topping this pencil to me. Someone did tell me to try the KKW Beauty Nude 3 pencil, and they said it was like just as dark and creamy. So I might give that a try. But this will always be OG, just so we know. And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. lip lacquer in Natural. And it's just gorgeous. It's just something about a nude and brown combo that can't be beat. I'm sorry. Nude and brown, this is always a combo. This is always a hit, okay? So yeah, this is the look that I end up coming up with. Let me know if you guys like it. I would totally wear this out, and I absolutely love looks that can be borderline dramatic, or can be dramatic and out there, but still wearable. Like, sometimes it just be a little too much everywhere, and you'd be like, I don't know if I could wear that outside. That's just for the camera look. But then you have something like this where I could totally put on some blue jeans with this top, or some leggings or something with this long top and some boots, and feel extremely comfortable with going out and not feeling like I look like a clown or anything. So this is just a perfect fall look in my opinion. So yeah guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And do your girl a favor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, hit the like button, share this video. Somebody else might need some inspiration for some falls or whatever. No, some fall looks. So please go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.